Starting a microgreen business seems so simple, doesn't it? Plant seeds, harvest, sell, and repeat. But reality, it's way more complicated than that. I made mistakes, costly ones, that you don't have to make. In this video, I'm going to share a lesson I wish I had been told when we got started. By the end, you'll know exactly how to avoid the big pitfalls and set yourself up for success. Here's the first thing I wish I knew. Selling to everyone is selling to no one. When we started out, I thought casting a wide net is the way to go. Go to farmers market, grocery stores, restaurants, individuals, you name it. Anywhere I thought could sell it, that's where we were trying to go. But it ended up spinning our wheels and making very little progress. When we narrowed focus down to grocery stores, health-conscious shoppers, everything changed. Grocery stores loved the consistency, quality that we could provide. The clarity allowed me to streamline our production and market more effectively. When I started, I thought the best thing to do was that wide net. Go to farmers market, grocery stores, restaurants, individuals, you name it. We ended up just spinning our wheels and making very, very little progress. When we narrowed our focus to grocery stores, health-conscious shoppers, everything changed. Grocery stores loved the consistency and quality we could provide. That clarity allowed us to streamline our production and be more market effective. So here's my advice. Define your ideal customer. Who do you want to serve? What do they need? If you're not sure, come to the workshop and we'll figure that out together. In fact, drop a comment below telling me who's your ideal dream customer. I'd love to hear about it. All right, the next mistake, pricing. When we first started, we were selling mostly to friends, family, at a great price for them. When bringing my microgreens to the public, we almost undervalued our products. When deciding our pricing, I thought pricing them lower was the way to go and be cheaper than our competitors and get more customers. But guess what? That only hurt our business. And I'm barely making enough money to pay the bills, let alone build the business. No money there to build up. People equate price with quality. So when I focused my price to reflect the quality that we were offering of our microgreens, our sales went up, not down. Here's how to avoid that mistake. Know your cost and price accordingly. If you need help figuring that out and the right pricing strategy, I can help. Just comment below. Let me know. Another big one, growing too much too soon. We grew way too many trays. We started with broccoli, radish, sunflowers, peas. List goes on. Tried our hand at amaranth, arugula, all kinds of things. And I was growing a few trays of each. It was overwhelming. I was scrambling to find who to sell to, who was going to buy all this stuff that was already ready growing. I was fighting against the clock. With quick grow times, these things are done really quick, all those trays didn't sell. The truth is you only need a few varieties to start, a few trays to sell. Sample, focus on what that is, focus on the popular ones, easy to grow ones, grow to order model, build demand, shift, save us tons of time, and it'll save it for you too. So start with the ones like peas, sunflowers, broccoli, kale, radishes, stuff along that lines. Do not try to do 10, 12 varieties at a time. And here's another lesson I learned the hard way. Start building relationships early. Don't wait to make them connections. Chefs, local grocery stores, get out, connect with them. It only is going to slow your growth if you don't. I waited till I was actually approached by a local grocery store before we even considered selling to them. Didn't even think about it. Now I make relationship building a priority. You have to make it a priority. We offer free samples. We stay consistent with our deliveries when we always over-deliver. Do more than what they expect. These connections became the foundations of our business. If you're not sure where to start, we can show you exactly how to approach potential customers, build that long-lasting relationship. We can get that done for you. And finally, a major lesson that we learned, track everything. Your sales, your costs, your time. When we started, we didn't track a lot of things. We didn't know what things to track. It almost cost us our business. We had no idea which microgreens were the most profitable and how much we were spending on supplies, seeds, soil, all that stuff, packaging. What we were spending on it. Once they started tracking everything and discovered our top selling products, we optimized our time, our cost, and we grew our profits. It's a huge, simple step, but it makes a huge difference. I've even created a free tool to help you out. We have a free tool in our Microgreens for Profit group. It's a worksheet in there, how to price your microgreens, everything else. If you join our group, we can give you a free one-on-one call. It's a 20-minute call, and then we will unlock that stuff for you for free. We just want to go over it, make sure you're using it correctly and everything else. So it's a free call. It's a free sheet. It's a free group. Free. No reason not to join. So let's do a quick recap today. Finding your niche and focusing on serving them well. Focus on one, serve them well. Price your microgreens for profit. Start small with just a few trays, grow to order, build relationships early and consistently, and track everything from sales to costs. Stay on top of your business. We also have a sheet for that. These lessons transfer to our microgreen business, and they can transfer yours too. If you're ready to skip the trial and error and start growing your microgreens, check out our free group, Microgreens for Profit. We're here to help you. When you join, you're going to get that free one-on-one call. A bonus will unlock these pricing sheets for you. The pricing sheet tool, the budget sheet will all be unlocked. Links are in the description below. Make sure you click on that and check it out. Free group. And if you found this helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Appreciate that a lot. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more tips on thriving microgreen business. If you're ready to dial in your niche and take control of your growth, join us on our free workshop coming up on January 15th at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll put the link in the description as well. I hope to see you there.